Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we will be discussing about our next topics in the website optimization. In previous video, we have seen couple of areas like website analysis, keyword research, business understanding, right? These 3 points we have covered in our previous video. So now the next thing which we'll be doing with our website is to understand the navigation and the redirects areas that we will cover in this video. So let's move to our syllabus. So this is the syllabus, and we have already seen this website audit process, business understanding and keyword research. In website audit process, we have seen different uh, website which help us to do a audit for our website, right? Business understanding tells us that who will be our target audience, our geographical location of our target audience, the age and gender can be identified using the business understanding or talking with your client itself, those who are doing that particular business. Then keyword research, again we have seen multiple websites to do a keyword research, and from that tool we have tried to identify the potential keywords, right? Now the next the next step is to try to understand the navigation, breadcrumb, footer design. So we will be covering this 5 topics in this video. Okay, now the very first thing which is very clear is that if is there any change which is required in the website, that you will not do it. Okay, you as a website optimizer, you as a digital marketer, you are not responsible for updating, modifying or changing the website. You are responsible just to suggest it, right? So developers are responsible for modifying the and making the changes as per your suggestion. Okay, so developer are a specialized person for this. So if you know development, then of course you can do it. But if you do not know development, then do not try to understand it, because again it's a out of the track topic. We are a marketers, we are not the manufacturers. We are a marketers, we are not a developer. Our job is to promote the website and get the business out of it. Our job is not to modify the website, because developers are there to modify the website. Now whatever changes or whatever updation we required in the website to make it search engine friendly, you need to discuss these things with the developer, and developer will modify the website. If you are not if you do not have any developer with you and you want to do it by your own, then of course you can do this, but this is, again as I said, it is out of the topic area. Okay, now let us discuss about the navigation and breadcrumb. What I really mean to do, or I mean to say about the navigation and breadcrumb. The navigation, I mean to say that if there are, we have seen e-commerce website, and we know that there are thousands or millions of products are available in the e-commerce website, but still we can identify or check the website or uh, get the product whatever we want to buy in a very immediate clicks. As an example, I will show you to the website and we'll go there and let's see how it works. So this is the website I was talking about. This is a flipkart.com, and it is India's one of the topmost e-commerce website or e-commerce platform. So basically I was talking about the navigation. So I will tell you the navigation, what I mean to say. If you go to the Flipkart About Us section, then you will come to know there are around 80 million products across 80 plus categories are available in this e-commerce marketplace. Okay, so 80 million is a huge number. Now this is the website. I want to buy a wristwatch for me, for men's watch. How many clicks I need to do, that we will try to count now. I will go on men's. I haven't clicked yet. I will go to the fossil, and the first click I will do over here, fossil. Okay, and the list of watch is there, right? Now I like this watch. Suppose if I click on it, the second click is there. Now see, I can buy this watch in my third click, right? What does it mean? What does it mean? That if this website have more than 80 million products, and out of those 80 million products I can buy the product which I want in just 3 clicks. This is called navigation. This is called the power of navigation basically. And see, I was not browsing, or I haven't clicked a lot of things here and there. I was just I was knowing that what I want to buy, and their Flipkart navigation helps me to go to that particular product with a minimum clicks. That is called navigation. If you want to identify, or there is a parameter basically, if user need not to click more than 3 times, then yes, that's the best navigation. If the user is need not to click more than 3 times for buying any particular product or buying any particular services, then that's the best navigation which we can say as a parameter. Okay, so now on this product page you can see this, right? Home, watches, wristwatch, fossil wristwatches. So what does it mean? This is called as a breadcrumb. Breadcrumb help us to identify, or this is a kind of funnel which help us to identify where we are standing in this particular website. So within this particular website, we are under watches section. Under this, we have wristwatches. Under we are in fossil wristwatches. If I want to move to the directly wristwatches, then I can go there immediately from there. Now this is we are under wristwatches. It includes the wristwatch from every brand and every company. Okay, so this is called a breadcrumb, and this helps us to identify where we are standing in that particular website. So this is also a very important area for the website. Okay, so if your website have more than 50 or 100 pages, then having a breadcrumb is a good idea, because and it is not only helpful for the user, but also sometimes Google shows this breadcrumb in the result page as well. In the coming videos, I will show you where you can find it. Okay, now I will just show you immediately. Why to wait? Yes, see this. So this is a breadcrumb. This is not a URL for this particular page, right? So Google sometimes also shows the breadcrumb in the URL. So it is always good to have this in your website. Okay, so let's move to our Flipkart website then. Now, if you see at the footer, this is the area, right? This is the footer area. Usually we do not go at this level, because here they have written some content about the wristwatch, right? So this is very helpful for the website to rank in the Google, because ultimately, if you see this part, the top part, it does not contain any this area does not contain any web content, right? This is just a products listed over here. So identifying a web page will be difficult for the search engine. Why? Because there is no content. There is just a products and their names, right? So this content, I'm talking about this content, helps search engine to identify the page, that what product this page is selling. And based on this content, Google ranks this particular web page when you search for wristwatches for men, right? Why? Because Google identified that particular word in this content. At the top level, there are just a product, so it does, Google or any search engine, of course, will find difficulty to identify the objective of this particular page. But this content defines the objective of that page, and search engine finds it similar to your searches, and then you get this particular web page in the result page. Okay, so this is one of the important area that you need to be think of, right, while creating a e-commerce website. Of course, in our service website we do have a content at the top level itself, but in e-commerce website we need to provide the products at the top, right? So where we will place our content? So we can place our content at the footer. Okay, Now let us move to syllabus. In the syllabus we have seen that we need to discuss three redirects. One is 301, one is 302, and one is 404. So what is this 301? So 301 is a permanent redirect. Permanent redirect means, if consider this is a web page which is completely shut down, and so consider this is a one web company, right? So ABC. ABC is a company, and this is abc.com. Now abc.com is taken over by a company XYZ. Okay, so now abc.com company is shut down, so and it is taken over by XYZ. So if someone searches for www.abc.com, then what the web developer will do, that you will get this website, that is www.xyz.com, right? Even if you searching for abc.com, even if you are entering www.abc.com, then still user or the you will be getting this XYZ website. This is called redirect, right? So this is redirect. This is if it there is a 301 redirect, it means that ABC is permanently shifted to XYZ. Okay, now ABC will never come up or never go live again in the future. So by writing a 3-0 code redirect in the backend, redirect code, of course developer will help you to write this redirect code. Now by writing this 301 redirect code in the backend, what signal you are telling, or what information you are providing to the crawler, that is, now ABC will not never go live, and every time you get a backlink or some information regarding the ABC, then please navigate it to the XYZ, or please transfer all the uh, importance which you have gained or which you have provided or given to the ABC. Now provide it to the, or transfer it to the XYZ. This is the important information. Like, in a very plain language, consider there is one company which was having a good reputation in Google's eye, Google's ranking, having a good Google ranking. Now that company is taken over by some another company. Now what, by putting this 301 redirect, what you are doing, you are trying to tell crawler or any particular search engine that this website is completely moved to the new location, or whatever the reputation which this website have earned in your eye, just transfer that importance to the new website. Okay, for this we need to do 301. Okay, now there might be a chances that ABC is not completely taken over by XYZ. Now ABC would be taken over by XYZ for just for a year, and after 1 year ABC will again go live. There might be a chances, right? So in that situation we will not do 301 redirect. In that situation we will do 302 redirect. 302 redirect is, it's a temporary redirect, and it tells a search engine that ABC has been shifted to XYZ, but for a time being. Okay, in future abc.com may go live anytime. So whenever search engine visits ABC, they reads this 30 code, 302 code, and they move to the XYZ, but they do not transfer the importance to XYZ. That is the important thing. Okay, so in 301 the importance will be transferred to the new domain. In 302 the importance will not be transferred to the new domain. Okay, that is the basic reason we have tried to cover this 301 and 302 within this syllabus, because there might be a situation you will may come across, like you need to move the website, or sometimes you need to move the pages itself, not the entire website but the couple of pages. So that time you can utilize this redirect concept. Okay, so it's based on your business objective, that whether you want to move it permanently or temporarily. Based on that you will select the code. Okay, now there is one more code. If you remember, or just visit the syllabus again, then you will find that there is one more code that is called as 404. and it is one of the popular code because we have seen this error code a lot of time. What does it mean? See, if this is a server, and this is a browser. If I am searching for any searching for or with adding looking for any particular website and www.facebook.com, if it will go to the Facebook server and you will get the website over here, right? Right. But sometime what happens, we may request to that particular server, and so if server do not have that particular web page, then we get the error, that is 404. Okay, if the server have everything which we are requesting, then we get the 200 code from the server and we get the website. If the server does not have what we are requesting for, then server will respond 404 and we get the error page on the browser, right? So in that case, what happens, sometimes we may come across some wrong product searches or some dead links or some old links in the e-commerce website, and if we click on that link, then we get the error page. So it is not a good symbol or good sign for the bigger e-commerce site or big branded site. So just to avoid this wrong impression, or uh, I mean to say, just to avoid this uh, wrong understanding, or to make this error a user-friendly error, then we add a custom error page that I will show you on the browser. Sometimes what we are looking for, we don't get it. Yes, this is what I was looking for. So here I requested for fully automatic front load washing machine. So basically this is the something irrelevant request from my side to the server, and server said that sorry, no result found, right? So this is the error page. Basically whatever I requested to the server does not have it, and usually server will respond a 404 code. That means there is a error page, there is a problem in the request itself. So but now Flipkart will not show me this error page. Flipkart will show me this again a good UI designed error page with some good image. So this is how people make their website user friendly. Even if there is a error page, then they will not show it as an error. They will show that something they are asking, they are saying a sorry that we do not found anything what you are looking for, even though our request is itself is invalid, right? So uh, they will not allow us to feel like that it's our bad. It's they accept it that's their bad, and they so it say it's sorry, right? So having a customized, this is called as a custom error page. So having a custom error page in the website is very important, and you should have a custom error page in your website for sure. Okay, so I would suggest you to just search for some fantastic ideas for custom error page. You will get the custom. If you see for custom error page, then you will get this. So there is a huge list. So just go through this custom error page and you will see that how decorative the custom error page company design. See, this is the custom error page basically. See, this is one of the custom error page. Very informative and interactive basically. So it helps user to avoid, or it keep users on your own website. So user will not move out of your website and just, right, by watching the error page, right? They can't all be winners, so try again, right? So these are custom error page which industry is using. So I would suggest you try to have your own custom error page. Okay, so thank you for this watching this video, and if you like our video, then please do not forget to hit a like button. If you have any comments, suggestions, ideas, or questions, please use the comment section. And also share our video with your friends so they can also understand this topic. And at last, do not forget to subscribe our digital mentor for our future updates. Thank you.